In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on symbol label on Tradingview. Start by opening a chart in Tradingview, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Any symbol works here: stocks, crypto, futures, or forex, and the process is identical. Give the chart a moment to load so the scale and menus are fully responsive. Next, move your cursor to the vertical price scale on the right side of the chart. This is the column that shows the price levels. Right-click directly on that price scale. If you are using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way and on devices with a single-button mouse. Holding the Control key while clicking performs a right-click. It's important that you click on the price scale itself, not on the candles or background, so you open the correct context menu. When the menu appears, look for the Labels option. This section controls which labels appear on your chart and on the price scale. Hover over or click Labels to expand it. You'll see several toggles here, but the one we want is Symbol Name Label. This setting turns on a small label that displays the ticker or instrument name, making it easy to confirm exactly what you are viewing at a glance. Click Symbol Name Label to enable it. You'll know it's on when a check mark appears next to the option. As soon as it's enabled, the label will show up on your chart near the price scale, typically alongside the last traded price line. If it's already checked, that means the label is currently active. Clicking it again would turn it off. If you've enabled the label but don't immediately see it, try focusing on the right side of the chart near the most recent price action. You can also drag the edge of the price scale to make it a bit wider, which gives labels more room to display clearly. Make sure your chart isn't overly compressed and confirm that the latest price line is visible. Those small adjustments usually reveal the label instantly. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.